So what you can also do is you can go ahead and upload out attachments of different documents and then get the contents out of it as well. So to do that, if I were to go ahead and then click on this button right here for the attachment, then this is what you have. You have access to the Explorer. So now what you can do is, let's say for example, select out this particular document right here and then click on open. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that this is what you have right here. So now I can simply say summarize the text that I have in this document right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then what happens is that you get a summary of that particular document. So you can see that it is processing and it says the document title sample contains repetitive text structured into paragraphs and sections right here, just like this. So it is simply a sample document, as it says right here. And that is how you can go ahead and upload out attachments as you like and use it in prompts inside of DeepSeek. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.